Okay, so pretty much what we got going on is we're moving in to the new shop. We went from 5,000 square feet to 7,000 square feet. So we're gonna be a little bit bigger now. I really love the lighting that we got on this new shop. You guys can see everything is lit up. Right now, what we got going on is we're moving in all the CNC machines that we got. We already got one laser in, the little laser. We're missing another laser. And also we're gonna have a CNC router going on this corner. Back there, we're gonna have the two press brakes that we have, the big boys. On this side, we're planning to have the material, so pretty much we'll be able to stack it, and all these sections right here, we'll be able to just go with the forklift. Over here, we're planning to have the leather, paintworks, and the welders on the other side. Pretty much we are still trying to organize everything. Not a lot of space because we got a lot of stuff, but stay tuned so you'll be able to see how the shop looks like once we're finished. Okay, so pretty much it's been like about 5 days since we started moving. So we already have all the CNC machines inside. We already did all the electrical that we needed. All the machines are powered up and everything is running. The guys right now, we're pretty much setting the welding station. Pretty much right here is where we're gonna be welding and where we're gonna be doing all the polishing. On this rack, we're gonna be setting all the material. All the CNCs are going to be on this side. These two are the press brakes. This is what we use to bend metal. And then in the other side of the shop, what we're gonna have is gonna be our leather department. So pretty much everything that has to do with upholstery, with leather, is gonna be getting done on that side. And then all the way to the end is gonna be our shipping department. So pretty much is where we package everything, we box everything, and we send it out through UPS or USPS for the people that buy on our website. My opinion, looks way better than the other shop. We got almost 2,000 square feet. So pretty much everything looks cleaner. This is a new construction. So pretty much how you guys can see, lighting is on a spot. Really love the lighting that they did in here. We got LED lights, not all lights. So now we just gotta keep it clean, everything looking organized. So stay tuned.